Kaway ka school kabadan Habaridwa Ribhoy District ka Little Star Senior Secondary School. Kalapendan kam ya kaway nakikot pulih ha ka class 3 kabadai ka subject social studies. Kabala Thoh ya ka nekakot daw Dr. Dhananjay Joshi bat ka Nilam Jain. Kumban syupen kan mau baka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Kalapas ya ka rai bandawa ban penrungno ya ka Ktien Khasi bat garo ha ka kernit ka bapra. Ka Khasi Author Society, ka Khasi Students Union, bat kiway kiseng ha ka jala Meghalaya, ki dawa ban penrung ya ka Ktien Khasi ha ka kernit ka bapra. Henry ka nega kot ka long persya ya ka jing dawa bat ka jing angnut ka bala slam jong ki babun, ban penrung ya ka Ktien Khasi ha ka kernit ka bapra, ka bayalam bat pensngotu baklaru ya ki kena ki bapule ha ka tay ka skul. Hadien bala yo jing tem, nakaliang ka seng KSU, kala lej ban yakendu yo principal ka tay ka school, ban yo jing syai. Habakran ha ka tay ka jing yakendu u principal ka school Little Star Senior Secondary School Baridwa Ribhoy District, ulaong ban nakaliang ka school Marsen Tip ya ka ka jing bakla, kala pensangye ban hikay, bat ula kularu ban Thoh siya publisher, ban penbet ya ka ka kon.
So in this books written to the Meghalaya capital is Shillong, it is right, but Bengali, Nepali, Marathi this is the totally wrong, because it should be Khasi, Garu, English. Revert that, then they write totally wrong. So I condemn it. So I asked to the publisher, you rectify and write the correct message in your book. So actually we got the book chapter number. This to anywhere we show that is the mistakes. Whatever Meghalaya original language is the Khasi, Garu and English. In this regards they are writing to the something difference. That's why we are going to give correction. We send to the message to publisher to correction and to rectify and publish another one right book. So it is not our mistake. It is a mistake to publisher. Or we are asking to the publisher not to mistakes. Such types of the mistake come to again.
Lap ya kajing ujor ni ba bat ni nong kat ni halo jong kot social studies ka bala shika po school Little Star hakabayade ba ka official language ba Thoh ba kadega Bengali, Nepali ba Marathi anda ngilawa da seng KSU ha ka ya ka ne kasni ha school Little Star ba ngilaya on kendo principal nakalian jong iru ila kubur ba kadega don ka jimbakla leng ba publisher bat kila ongru ba mangkiru kila sangit berika ya kanega kot bat kila ongru nakalian ko jong ki ba kin hak kajing ujor sa publisher bat sa nek do sa emboss office bat di I office tena kalian doki la amba ingit ya kajing bakla bat kena mikai su ya kanega kot kan bat principal ki amba ya kanega kot ni kadeba publish len maka NCERT te ni nakalian ko dokasen ni pak ban bu ya kanega jing katpat ya ka education department bahkan simkia bentuk syaka NCERT bahkan lada ka publish kino tipat bandawat nya sya banakit ka ya kino pilih sya bandesh ban publish ka ya ikum kini judge Thoh namar ka ya lambakla ya kalawai te nakalian ka education department ibu ya kita di tepat subha manakal bakini bu Thoh syaka NCERT dan ya kano ka board namar kane ka kot ya kambi kan kane ka school ya kadon chukwi ke bentajung ke school ibangin patyo itit kan kutai